Hello everybody, and thank you very much to clicking on this video. In this video here I made it to refer to the video that I have made it 4 days ago on the Friday 8th of June 2018 about the Ajax Pagination problem that I have made it right here. Unfortunately that nobody answered, nobody viewed this video as much, alright, but anyway, it's okay. We'll do it together, okay? Just for anyone who see that. I have watched this video that made from web lesson. It's actually from last year on March of 16, 2017. And I was editing some little code to make it suit to my code. And it's working. Right now it's working very well. Now you can see that if I go to my web page, this is my project, and I log in as the username. This is test. Here is a username here in this one. So later I'll post this. I have the script here, the source code. I leave this source code about the gallery project that I made here on under the below in the descriptions below of this video. So let's have a look at what this guy can do. So first thing you can do, upload the image, right, in this form, and I do a little bit of HTML5 validation. So if I just click on upload, it will say something is required, so you need to at least put some things in here. It say please enter valid titles, and I got the a little Thai things in here because I am Thai. Well, you know that, you can tell that my bad English speaking. And this one also will be required. If I do some things in here and I put the image but I do not put here, say what happened if it's go? No, it will not go as well because I have to select whether yes or no, show as public. Okay, now let's see. I say test, I don't know, test, let's say times of 8, and then I say show as no, not show to public, and I put upload. See, this one is coming up, right, and it's take me into the file that I just upload. Show the details in here, big image, small image as a thumbnail, whatever you see, eh? And if I click on this, it will be select. So you can right click and copy this code to use it as a thumbnails. The BB code here, I don't know how you call this one. And this one as well is a full pic, it's a big pic, this picture up here. And show image to public here, you can immediately change. You say yes, and it will say yes. It will say yes, and it's saved automatically. And you remember that we got 16s before, now we got 17s of image in here. And if I scroll down here, if I click on this one, it will open a new tab and say direct URL to this image that's stored in my website. Okay, and if I click on this one, it will show the form right here, so I can update something. So if you have a look right here, admin permissions, by default is set to allow, is set to green. If you remember, we just post the photo, we just upload the first picture. I'm sorry, we just upload the number 17 of photos right there. You can see that is flagged as allowed, but this one say not allowed. Now, where this one came from? Well, if you log in by admin, so in another Chrome, in Google Chrome here, I log in by admin, and I go to this. You say that I got 30 image in here, and every single image will have the owner ID. So ID 14 is a test. So later you can implement more. You can even show the name of the user ID right here instead of say user ID, right, by joining table, but I do not do that for now, at least. All right, and the picture that we just have clicked is this one. We say it's not allowed, and we say this one. You say here it says deny, right? As soon as I click on here and I change it to be allow, so this one is already saved. And when I go back into the test here, you see right here, it will say allow. You see that? The page is not refreshed, but if it's something changed. So let's see the pagination part, this one. We have 17 photos. I have 8 in the first page. I have 8, and the page number 3, I only have 1. So that will be 17 image in here. Okay. The other things that I cannot do is actually, if I click on this one and I do something right here, I change this to yes. It is not do anything right here. It stay in the same page. All right. But on the admin, if I do something, let's say right now, I be on the page, the last page is page number 8, and I do something right here. I say private, and you can see that it will take me back to the first page. So that is because I have to set the cookie to run on this one. If there's no cookie set in here, it will not remember the last page that I have been received. That way you can implement that. Now let's see if I want to delete by on the admin. So I delete this one. What happened if I do delete? And it say deleted. Okay, and it's take me to the first page, and it say I have right now I have 29 items of picture. Okay, now let's upload it. So I say item number 30 and this one, and then we upload that. So it say the picture has been uploaded, but I have no idea where is it. Where I am now is on the page 1. If I refresh, is it coming? I don't know. It's actually JS2 is down here. Okay, good. JS2 PNG we have here, and the other one right here we also have selections. We got this one from the ID of 14, so it tastes alright. That's all functionals for this small project that we do right here. If anyone like to have this code, just go ahead and feel free to email me. I will send it to you. I will send the link that to you, but do not expect that the code that I provide under the description as the .pdf file, do not copy it and run it in your project, because it's not going to work. There's so many things that concern to that. Just only to refer to the code that I told you. Okay, do not just only copy it and run. That not going to work. All right, now let's have a look at the code. I have the file right here. I have gallery.php as a controller, and mdl gallery.php as the model, and admin_main.php as the admin views, living in view folder. Now you can see the folder hierarchy in the Visual Studio Code. Now you can see that this one is the hierarchy that I have my projects in here, and I will still continue doing this. So let's see the JS file, which is there's actually a lot of redundant code in here, which is so bad, because it's, you know, if you keep on doing this, it will be not good for your learning curve. And I try and try not to repeat myself, but I cannot do that. Still, well, at least right now I cannot do that. Okay. And you have another file that say own.php, which is referred to when the user log in as a member. So you get this one as a section here. Alright, so you can see it later. You can see all these file details. Just go ahead and download that, or you can just simply open it by click on the link, and it will navigate you to the Google Drive, my Google Drive, and I set that as for share. Okay, or if you want to download this file, it's also, you have a link, just go ahead and download it. So that will be the whole thing that I see, and this the way that I call the function that to run is actually not really much things change from my previous video right here when I asked and make this video on YouTube. Okay, so right now I just want to share it with you that my pagination Ajax with codeigniter is already sold, and if anyone like to have a code, just please go ahead and feel free to get that. Okay, we're going to learn it together. All right, so for today, thank you very much for watching until this end of the video. I'm so sorry that my bad English speaking, as you know that I am a stupid type person. All right, so stay tuned and see you again on next video. Thank you very much.